Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your logins and logouts activity by date on the Facebook app when using your PC, especially with the newest update that might look a bit different from what you're used to. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're logged in, head straight to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile picture. Click on your profile icon to get started. Next, from the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy and click on it. This will open up a submenu, and here you'll find Activity Log. Go ahead and click on that. Within your activity log, the interface lets you navigate through different types of activities tied to your account. To drill down to your login history, you'll want to find and select Security and Login Information. This section keeps track of when and where you've logged into Facebook. Now you'll see various options related to your security and login activities. Click on Logins and Logouts, and this is where you can view all your recorded login sessions as well as when you logged out. At the top of this page, there's a filter option marked Date. Click on it to open up the calendar, which lets you zero in on specific time periods for your login activity. Choose the exact date range or period you want to review. It could be the last week, the last month, or any custom period that you prefer. Once you've set your dates, make sure to click Save Changes to apply the filter, and that's it. You'll now see a clear, organized list of your logins and logouts filtered by the dates you chose. This handy feature is great not only for keeping track of your activity, but also for recognizing any suspicious access to your account. By regularly reviewing your login history, you can enhance your Facebook account's security and stay in control of your online presence. Give it a try and see how easy it is to monitor where and when you've accessed Facebook on your PC. Thanks for watching.